It's a lot of snow out there. I hope they got us de-ice good. I don't think I'm in Mississippi anymore. It's actually light up above these clouds. It's just dark. It's like, I don't know, 9 o'clock in the morning here or something like that. Uh-oh. Well, that got me a strong drink. It's just snowing so hard, it makes it look dark. Uh-oh. Here we go. No turning back now. Hope that damn engine don't give out. Maybe the clouds will break and it'll be clear up above the clouds. Look at all that snow. That's deep snow too. I think it's been snowing here for a couple days. I guess that's it. I'm gonna sit there and make a video. Nothing you can't see. That's it.